you're neutralizing, not pushing. So if you lift the heel up, the ball activates, the quads activate, and you get your legs really wanting to create forward pushing force. From there, we repeat the same exercise. You float yourself, breathe into the marrow, draw the energy in, and then you dig in as if you're about to push a car. And then recover. Drop, switch it on, and make the marrow glow, radiate, and expand that toroidal field and push directly out in front of you. Extreme will, mechanics of extreme power, and push out. Let the heel float and the ball really engage to get that pushing power. And stretch the line out. Remember, it's the marrow glowing, the joints opening, expanding, and the mind extending, which produces this phenomenon. When you're doing this exercise well, the face will go red. The eye region of your body heats up. Blood pressure goes up. Push the joints open, direct the energy into the marrow, and extend out to the space in front of you. If you plant the heel too much, you'll neutralize the energy. A planted heel makes the energy go back. A floating heel makes the energy go forward. So you don't want too much neutralization, you want more forward energy for this exercise. People who do a lot of heel down, sinking, will feel slightly unstable. That's okay, that'll go away. Who are the most grounded people on the planet? Most probably wrestlers. Their heels don't touch the ground much. You can get very grounded, fast motion without the heels having to be in contact with the ground. It's just a matter of habit.